If you're looking for pocket watches, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Victorian pocket watches. Number 1, most popular, by ShoppeWatch. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Sinopic. Number 3. For more details about this great Victorian pocket watches, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, by Two Jesters. Find these pocket watches at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6. Number 7, by Sinopic. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Watch Necklace. Number 9, by Bristol Novelty. Discover more pocket watches ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Glazed Black Cherry.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.